Hi, Amanda.
Hi.
How old are you?
I'm 6.
Oh my god, you're just a little baby.
What?
You're a fetus. What's your favorite animal?
Tiger.
Want to hear a tiger roar?
Yeah.
Amanda, are you okay? Amanda, are you okay? I thought you liked tigers! Amanda! Amanda, I'm sorry! Ah! How can I make you feel better?
Candy.
Womp womp! Ah!